Imagine a world so vast that humans have explored only a tiny fraction of it. Far below the reach of sunlight, the abyss hides creatures so strange that many were once dismissed as impossible. The abyss begins thousands of meters beneath the ocean's surface, where crushing pressure and permanent darkness create one of Earth's most extreme environments. For centuries, sailors crossed these waters believing the deep was an empty void because no one could see what lived beneath their ships. Scientists once shared that assumption because early equipment could reveal little more than the shape of the seafloor. Everything changed when deep-sea expeditions began returning with animals unlike anything found in shallow water. Each discovery raised an even bigger question about how so many species could survive where sunlight never reaches. The deeper researchers looked, the more the abyss resembled an enormous hidden ecosystem rather than an underwater desert. To understand this unseen world, we first need to follow the explorers who dared to descend into the deepest parts of the ocean. During the 19th century, scientific voyages began collecting mysterious animals from remarkable depths using heavy dredging nets. Many of those fragile creatures were damaged before reaching the surface, making them difficult to identify. Despite those limitations, researchers realized entirely new groups of animals were waiting below. The famous HMS Challenger expedition transformed ocean science by collecting thousands of deep-sea specimens. Those collections proved that complex life existed far below where many experts believed survival was impossible. Every preserved specimen hinted that countless unseen species remained beyond human reach. Instead of answering the mystery, the expedition revealed how little humanity actually knew about the deep ocean. New technology would eventually allow explorers to meet these animals in their own world. Submersibles finally carried scientists into the abyss instead of forcing them to rely only on nets. Powerful lights revealed fish drifting through darkness with enormous mouths and tiny bodies. Transparent shrimp floated like living glass beneath the beams. Sea cucumbers slowly crossed muddy plains that stretched beyond the horizon. Delicate sea lilies extended their arms into nearly motionless water. Every camera dive seemed to uncover another species unknown to science. Researchers realized they were exploring one of Earth's richest frontiers for biodiversity. The greatest surprise was not what these animals looked like, but how they survived. Without sunlight, plants cannot grow in the abyss. Most deep-sea food begins as tiny particles that slowly drift down from surface waters. Scientists call this constant rain of organic material marine snow. Many animals survive by capturing these falling scraps before competitors can reach them. Some predators wait patiently for weeks before finding a single meal. Others evolve jaws that allow them to swallow prey nearly their own size. Every adaptation reflects millions of years of evolution in an environment where wasting energy can mean death. Yet one discovery completely changed scientists' understanding of life itself. In the late 20th century, researchers discovered hydrothermal vents deep beneath the Pacific Ocean. These underwater chimneys release mineral-rich fluids heated by Earth's interior. Scientists expected almost no life around them. Instead, they found dense communities of giant tube worms, clams, crabs, and shrimp. Unlike most ecosystems, these animals do not depend on sunlight. Special bacteria create energy through chemical reactions in a process called chemosynthesis. The discovery proved that life can flourish without the sun under the right conditions. That revelation reshaped more than marine biology. Astrobiologists immediately recognized the importance of these strange ecosystems. If life thrives around deep-sea vents, similar environments might exist on icy moons beyond Earth. The abyss suddenly became a guide for searching extraterrestrial life. Meanwhile, oceanographers continued discovering entirely new vent systems. Each site hosted different combinations of animals found nowhere else. Genetic studies revealed that many deep-sea species are more diverse than their appearance suggests. Some animals once considered a single species turned out to represent several hidden lineages. Even farther from the vents, another mystery was waiting. The abyssal plains cover more of Earth than any other habitat. For decades, these plains appeared almost empty in early photographs. Modern surveys revealed countless worms, crustaceans, sponges, and microscopic organisms living within the sediment. Many species have still never received scientific names. Researchers estimate that millions of deep-sea species may remain undiscovered. Those estimates continue to change as DNA techniques reveal hidden biodiversity. Every expedition expands the known tree of life. The greatest challenge now is protecting a world we barely understand. Deep-sea mining has become one of the most debated issues in marine science. Companies seek valuable minerals scattered across the abyssal seafloor. Researchers warn that disturbing these habitats could damage species found nowhere else. Many animals grow extremely slowly because food is scarce. Recovery from disturbance could require decades or even centuries. Scientists continue studying these ecosystems before large-scale mining begins. Researchers also debate how much biodiversity remains completely undocumented. That uncertainty may be the most important discovery of all. Every deep-sea expedition returns with animals that challenge previous assumptions. Some species glow using bioluminescence to attract prey or communicate. Others survive beneath pressures that would instantly crush ordinary submarines. Tiny microbes recycle nutrients that support entire deep ocean ecosystems. The abyss quietly helps regulate Earth's climate through long-term carbon storage. Its hidden biodiversity supports processes that affect the entire planet. Protecting this environment means protecting systems humanity still struggles to understand. That brings us back to the question that started this journey. The abyss is not an empty wasteland. It is one of the richest and least explored ecosystems on Earth. Every expedition reveals species that rewrite biology textbooks. Scientific evidence continues to replace centuries of misunderstanding about the deep ocean. Researchers continue to debate exactly how many abyssal species remain undiscovered. Each new dive reminds us that exploration is far from complete. The greatest discoveries beneath the sea may still be waiting in darkness. When you look across the calm ocean, remember that beneath those waves lies a hidden world richer, stranger, and more mysterious than almost anything humanity has ever